Assalamualaikum minasan, konnichiwa. Welcome back to our channel Halal Food in Japan. Today we are at Siddiq restaurant, which is near Shinjuku Nishigachi station, and it's a 100% halal certified restaurant. So there is nothing to worry about. You will get 100% halal food over here. So let's see what we find out today over here.
The interior of this restaurant literally amazed me. It has a capacity of around 32 people. Their sitting arrangement is truly amazing. I love the window seats most because the view from there is very beautiful. No doubt very affordable lunch menu. Their menu is quite amazing. They have a lot of options to choose from, many dishes, many curries, so many things. It was very hard to choose, but yes, we ordered 2 dishes.
Wow, look at this. A sizzling tandoori set. Wow, look at this. A sizzling barbecue tandoori set. So tempting, so beautiful. I can't wait to dig in. With this tandoori set, we got few sauces as well. There are 3 different sauces. One is actually ketchup, and there are 2 different sauces, but we gonna taste it. Let's see which sauce is spicy. Let's try some seekh kebab first. Okay, it's so hot and sizzling. Wow, look at the color. It was so hot, and it's wow, so spicy that I don't think I need a extra sauce to eat it with it. Very yummy. The seekh kebab is so tender and so soft that when I eat it, it's actually getting vanished in my mouth. Wow. Now let's try some other thing. Okay, we got some chicken over here. And what's this? Oh, this is maybe a malai tikka. Let's try some malai tikka first, as it's different. It's actually white in color, different from the other barbecue. I'm so much excited to try it.
Actually, we need to make a
Wow,
website.
it's actually not too much spicy. It's giving a creamy texture in my mouth. As its name is malai tikka. Malai is actually known as buttery, milky, or creamy type thing. So I'm gonna try it with the few sauces. Let's try this orange color sauce, and then some green. The sauce is a bit spicy. I think not bit, very spicy. So it's a perfect combination of malai tikka with this orange color sauce. Let's try the green one. The green sauce is not too much spicy. The green sauce is actually a mint sauce, so it's giving a very nice mint flavor with the chicken. Now let's try some chicken tikka. chicken tikka is actually known for its spicy chicken. So let's see whether it's up to the mark or not. Wow, it's, you know, a perfect Pakistani style chicken tikka, which you can only get at Siddiq restaurant. And this restaurant is just in front of the Shinjuku Nishiguchi station. Very easy. It's just, I don't think, not even a minute walk from there. It's just within few seconds you can just hop into Siddiq restaurant. Wow, we got some lamb nihari. So tempting. Let's try. It's really hard to find such Pakistani cuisine. And see what we got here. We ordered some lamb shank nihari. So let's try some. Wow, look at the meat, so tender, it's just slipping from the bone. And so easy to cut. Wow, I have heard that their lamb nihari is very famous, so that's why I ordered the nihari. So let's try. And no nihari is complete without adding some lemon. Wow, I really can't stop. I want to eat another bite. I don't want to talk. I just really want to enjoy the nihari right now. It's so good. I think 100 out of 100 marks. I will just give it 100 out of 100 because it's the star of the dinner today. It's totally perfect. I really recommend you guys that you must come here at Siddiq restaurant, which is near Shinjuku station, and you must try the nihari. It's just so good. The portion size is too much that you will get full. Look at this. The gravy, the chilies, the ginger. Wow. This restaurant is actually very much near to Shirakobo as well. So if you visit Shirakobo, so you can easily come here just within few minutes. It's very near to it. And from Shinjuku station, it's actually within 5 minutes. And from Shinjuku Nichiguchi station, it's just about few seconds. You can just cross the road and come upstairs. It's at the second floor, and you can enjoy the best food. This is the prime location of Shinjuku. So and this is one of the restaurants of Siddiq restaurant. It's 100% halal. There is no doubt or no worries. You can just eat it without any worry. It's 100% halal, and it's actually halal certified also. So whenever you come Shinjuku, you must come and visit here. They serve 100% halal food. That's all for today. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe our channel. So sayonara until next time.